bottom flask. So I hope everyone can see it. This is called as a round bottom flask. What you do is you take a round bottom flask and prepare your nitrating mixture in this. Nitrating mixture is prepared by adding nitric acid with sulfuric acid added in installments till the nitrating mixture is ready. And then you add your substrate, which is your nitrobenzene, to it. And after you've added the entire nitrobenzene, you have to put in this condenser. You can see this is a long tube like, which is a double walled. You can see it is a double, it has two walls. I'll bring the condenser nearby. So you can see it is a double walled. In between, there is a tube. So this is called as a condenser. And you have to put the condenser on top of your flask, and there's an inlet for the water. And so obviously the outer jacket and the inner jacket. In the inner jacket, the outer jacket, the water is going to be circulated to keep the contents, because you're heating the contents from below, they're going to go upward. Because there's water being circulated, it's going to come down. So this is called as refluxing. This is called as refluxing the contents. So because if you heat it, it's going to go. So it's going to bump over, it's going to go out. So you don't want that. So that is why you have to cool the contents. So once it goes up, so it'll cool, because there's been water being circulated, the inlet and the outlet. So you can see there's an inlet and the outlet. So the water is circulated in the outer jacket. You reflux, you heat the contents, they undergo refluxing. You do it for half an hour to 45 minutes, depending upon when the reaction is complete. How do you check the completion of the reaction? Only in case of metadinitrobenzene, you add a drop of a liquid, that is your reaction content, into ice cold water. If it solidifies immediately, that means the reaction is complete. If it does not, that means you need to reflux the contents for a still longer time, so that the entire reactant gets converted into the product. So this is the round bottom flask, and this is a condenser. So if you do not circulate water, it becomes an air condenser. But if you circulate water, it becomes a water condenser. So what you do is you put a water condenser just by circulating water, and inlet and outlet is already there, or you can simply add it, becomes an air condenser. You reflux the contents in using the condenser and check for the completion of the reaction. Once the reaction is complete, you add the contents to the ice cold water, and you simply, using a Buchner funnel, you actually filter the contents. Once the contents have been filtered, your product is ready. The crude product, you can recrystallize it using rectified spirit or alcohol, so you can get a purified compound. So this is all about the reaction of preparation of metadinitrobenzene using nitrobenzene as the starting material. I hope it is clear to everyone. I hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.